Guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix your TF2 Steam ID is not allowed on the FACEIT AC. So only the way to solve this error is that you have to just contact to the support team of the FACEIT AC. For this you have to just open your FACEIT, and here you will find an option of submit a request. Tap on it, and here you will find such type of the interface. You have to put all of your details here. Select in the contact region, you have to just select here for the other, and then put all other details here. After doing so, you have to just put here the subject why you to make this request, and after doing so you have to just describe your issue in the description that I am facing the problem TF2 Steam ID is not allowed on the FACEIT, and after doing so you have to just click on the submit. So within a couple of the days they will reply you and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video worked. For more information visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So hit a like and subscribe for this video. Thanks for watching.